Here's a math problem that looks scary at first, but with one smart trick, it becomes super easy.
Oh my goodness, what a problem!
Read the question carefully. Grab a pencil and a calculator or tablet, and let's solve and verify the answer together.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
First, consider the equation x equals x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides, we get 0 equals negative 1. This is impossible, so no solution. Consider equation b. We are given the equation absolute value of x is equal to x minus 1. To solve this, we consider two cases. Case 1, when x is greater than or equal to 0. In this case, absolute value of x becomes x. So the equation becomes x is equal to x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides, 0 is equal to negative 1. This is not possible, so there is no solution in this case. Case 2, when x is less than 0. In this case, absolute value of x becomes negative x. So, negative x is equal to x minus 1. Add x to both sides. 0 is equal to 2x minus 1. So, 2x is equal to 1, and x becomes 1 over 2. However, 1 over 2 is not less than 0, so it does not satisfy the condition. Therefore, the equation has no solution.
Absolute value of x minus 1 is equal to x. To solve this, we consider two cases. Case 1, when x is greater than or equal to 1. Then, x minus 1 is equal to x. Subtract x from both sides. Negative 1 is equal to 0. This is not possible, so there is no solution in this case. Case 2, when x is less than 1. Then, 1 minus x is equal to x. Add x to both sides. 1 is equal to 2x. So, x is equal to 1 over 2. Now, check the condition. 1 over 2 is less than 1. So, the solution is valid. Final answer. X is equal to 1 over 2.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.